Hello everybody, welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a resume for free using template. So for that, stick with me. I'm going to show you how it is done. So go to your Chrome browser or any browser from your phone and search for canva.com. Now here you can see the interface of canva.com, and at the upper portion you can see a search button. So click on the search button and search for resume. Now you can see that there are many templates suggested. Some of them are paid and some of them are free, so you can use the free ones. So let me use the first one to show you how it is done. Now the template is ready to be edited, so I'm going to change the picture. So click on the picture, click delete image. Now you can see a plus button at the bottom bar. Click on the plus button. Now you can see that there are several options like design, elements, uploads, text, or so many other options. Just click on the upload, click on upload files, go to device and files, select your desired photo. Now you can see that the photo has been uploaded. Now click on the photo. You can see that the photo has been added in the template. Now you can small it by dragging it like this. Now drag this image to the circular portion. You can see that it is added automatically. Now you can also edit the text if you want, like click on any text like this one. Now from here I can change my name. Now I'm going to change my profession. You can see that it is done very easily. In this way you can edit anything like about yourself, personal details, website, education, anything. Now the question is how to save it. You can see that a button at the right corner. Click on this button. Now click on download. Select your desired format and click download. Now click on the download option. You can see that my resume has been downloaded. Here it is. So in this way you can easily make any resume if you want using the Canva template. So if this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.